This is a review of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro 2 released back in 2022. I got mine in the sleek grey colour, but it kind of looks blackish to me, and I've been using them for around a year now. I purchased these earbuds because I needed high quality, reliable pair for both work and leisure. I wanted something with great sound quality, active noise cancellation, and comfortable for long periods of use. I like to use these for various activities, including listening to music, taking calls, and working out in the gym. They are really versatile and fit well into my daily routine, whether I'm at home or in the office or on the go. Some of the standout features of these Galaxy Buds Pro include they've got an active noise cancellation. It blocks out ambient noise effectively, making it perfect for focusing in noisy environments, especially at the gym. Ambient sound mode. This lets you hear your surroundings without taking the earbuds out, which is great for safety during outdoor activities. Superior sound quality, so the audio is really clear with deep bass and crisp highs, making music and podcasts sound fantastic. And the comfort and fit, they are lightweight and comes with multiple ear tip sizes, ensuring a snug fit in your ear. The battery life, so that they last up to 8 hours in my experience on a single charge, and the charging case provides additional charges, extending total playtime, which is something I love. So my personal experience with this, they deliver excellent sound quality, and the active noise cancellation is a game changer, especially in noisy environments. They're comfortable enough to wear for extended period, and the touch controls are responsive. In conclusion, these Buds Pro 2 have exceeded my expectations, a bit on the pricier side, but features and performance justify the cost. If you're looking for a premium pair of wireless earbuds with great sound, effective noise cancellation, long battery life, I highly recommend the Galaxy Buds Pro 2.